Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best Arduino starter kits. Here are the top 3 Arduino starter kits that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Kuman for Arduino Project Complete Starter Kit. It includes an Arduino Uno board and all the components needed to complete 10 experiments. This kit comes with a detailed manual that provides step-by-step instructions on how to create different projects such as a color organ or an LED night light. There are also troubleshooting tips and diagrams in case you get stuck. With this kit, you'll be able to create fun and interactive objects that can respond to environmental changes like temperature, humidity, light sensitivity, motion detection, and more. It has a microcontroller board designed specifically for projects, such as controlling LEDs and other electronic devices or sensors from your computer. At number 2. SunFounder Project Super Starter Kit for Arduino. This kit includes everything you need to start a project, including the Arduino Uno board. It also comes with an LCD screen and keypad shield, breadboard, wires, LEDs, resistors, and more. You can use it to learn how to code without any previous knowledge of programming languages or electronics. This kit is perfect for beginners who want to get started in STEM. All the pieces are included, including LEDs, resistors, wires, breadboard, jumper wires, buttons, and more. At number 1. Vilros Arduino Uno 3 Ultimate Starter Kit. This kit contains everything you need to learn about electronics and programming, including a controller board, USB cable, breadboard, jumper wires, LEDs, red, green, yellow, resistors, potentiometer, push buttons. It also includes the following manuals: Getting Started with Arduino, a quick start guide for beginners, how to make an LED blink using only one wire, building circuits with basic components, the Arduino sketchbook. You can learn about electronics, programming, and engineering with the Arduino. This is a great way to start building your own inventions. It's easy to use and fun for all ages. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.